Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Zing Making HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to get logged in your account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.zinghr.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official page of Zing HR where you can find the login option. So simply tap on the login option, which will redirect you to this page. So now simply type in the company code and type in the employee code as well. After you are done typing in both of them, type in the password of your account, and you can even tap on the Remember Me option. Once you do this, you can simply tap on the login button to get logged in your account. So after you do this, you will get your access to your account simply, which will help you to work on it smoothly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.